We're at Boveway Drive in Liskeard to see this 2-bedroom property. So the properties were completed in 2024. So there is allocated parking, 2 spaces. Come on in. So firstly, you've got a really good sized entrance hall, lovely dark carpets throughout. Leads into the lounge. Patio area looks out onto trees and greenland and opposite properties. Downstairs toilet and also a really good sized upstairs cupboard just there. So kitchen, great size for dining table. Got a little cupboard just here and really nice patio doors. So property is heated through air source heating and it has a very good energy rating as well. I'll show you upstairs. To qualify for one of these properties, you do have to meet local connections of Liskeard and surrounding areas. So please do check that you qualify prior to inquiring. Show you into this bedroom. Now these properties here are double aspect. So fantastic size bedroom here. Again, looking out to the rear. This one looking to the front. Got a bit of storage, bathroom with shower over, another cupboard, and finally the second bedroom. Fantastic quality properties. Do get in contact if you are interested.